Niagara Falls, family-friendly travel guide. Niagara Falls, a world-renowned natural wonder located on the border of Ontario, Canada and New York, USA, is a top choice for families seeking a memorable vacation experience. With its breathtaking waterfalls, charming towns, and a plethora of family-friendly activities, Niagara Falls offers something for everyone to enjoy. As a popular family destination, Niagara Falls boasts a range of attractions and activities that cater to visitors of all ages. From boat tours that take you up close to the thundering falls to thrilling water parks and interactive museums, there is no shortage of fun-filled adventures awaiting families at Niagara Falls. Key attractions such as the iconic Maid of the Mist boat tour, Journey Behind the Falls, and the Niagara Skywheel provide unique perspectives of the falls and create lasting memories for families. Additionally, the Niagara Parks Butterfly Conservatory, Clifton Hill Entertainment District, and Whirlpool Aerocar offer diverse experiences that appeal to both kids and adults. Get ready to embark on an exciting and informative journey through Niagara Falls with our comprehensive family-friendly travel guide. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a week-long vacation, we'll help you navigate the best attractions, dining options, accommodations, and insider tips to make the most of your family trip to Niagara Falls. Getting there. When it comes to reaching Niagara Falls with your family, there are several convenient transportation options to choose from to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. For families opting to drive to Niagara Falls, there are well-maintained highways and scenic routes that provide easy access to the destination. From Toronto, take the Queen Elizabeth Way, QW, for a picturesque drive along Lake Ontario, or from New York City, the I-190 offers a direct route to the falls. Ample parking facilities are available near the main attractions, including paid parking lots and street parking options for added convenience. If you prefer to leave the driving to someone else, public transportation services such as buses and trains offer a hassle-free way to reach Niagara Falls. Via Rail and Amtrak provide train services to Niagara Falls, while Greyhound and Megabus offer bus routes from major cities in the region. For a truly stress-free travel experience, consider booking family-friendly travel services such as shuttle buses or private car services that cater to families. These services often provide amenities like car seats for young children, onboard entertainment, and knowledgeable guides to enhance your journey to Niagara Falls. Sit back, relax, and let the professionals take care of the transportation details while you focus on creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones at Niagara Falls. Accommodations. When it comes to finding the perfect place to stay near Niagara Falls for your family, there are a variety of family-friendly accommodation options that cater to your needs and preferences. Hotels, resorts, and vacation rentals near Niagara Falls offer a range of amenities and services to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay for families. Consider staying at family-friendly hotels such as Great Wolf Lodge, Embassy Suites by Hilton, or Sheraton on the Falls, which provide spacious family suites, on-site dining options, pools, and children's activities to keep everyone entertained. Resorts like the Fallsview Indoor Water Park Resort and Americana Water Park Resort and Spa offer exciting water park experiences and family-friendly amenities, making them ideal choices for families looking for a fun-filled getaway. For those seeking a more home-like atmosphere, vacation rentals in the Niagara Falls area provide the flexibility and space needed for larger families. Look for rentals with fully equipped kitchens, multiple bedrooms, and outdoor spaces for relaxation and playtime. Choose accommodation with convenient access to Niagara Falls attractions and dining options to make the most of your family vacation. Whether you prefer a hotel with stunning views of the falls or a cozy vacation rental in a quiet neighborhood, there are plenty of family-friendly lodging options near Niagara Falls to suit your preferences and budget. Attractions for families. Niagara Falls offers a plethora of exciting attractions and activities that are perfect for families looking to create unforgettable memories together. From iconic landmarks to thrilling adventures, there is something for everyone to enjoy at Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls State Park, the oldest state park in the United States, is a must-visit destination for families. Explore the park's scenic trails, observation decks, and picnic areas while taking in breathtaking views of the falls. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the Maid of the Mist boat tour, where you can get up close to the powerful cascades and feel the mist on your face. For families seeking more interactive experiences, attractions like the Niagara Parks Butterfly Conservatory, Journey Behind the Falls, and the Niagara Skywheel offer engaging exhibits and activities that appeal to visitors of all ages. Kids will love exploring the interactive displays at the Niagara Science Museum and getting hands-on with nature at the Bird Kingdom Aviary. Whether you're hiking along the Niagara Gorge, picnicking in Queen Victoria Park, or embarking on a thrilling zipline adventure, Niagara Falls provides endless opportunities for family fun and exploration. With age-appropriate attractions and activities for children of all ages, Niagara Falls is the perfect destination for a family-friendly adventure that will be cherished for years to come. Dining options. After a day of exploring the wonders of Niagara Falls, families can refuel and relax at a variety of family-friendly restaurants and eateries near the falls. From casual cafes to upscale dining establishments, there are plenty of options to satisfy every palate and preference. For families with young children, restaurants with kids' menus and play areas are a great choice for a stress-free dining experience. Consider dining at places like Rainforest Cafe, Boston Pizza, or the Old Stone Inn, which offer child-friendly menus and entertainment to keep little ones happy and engaged. If you have dietary restrictions or preferences, fear not. Niagara Falls has a diverse culinary scene that caters to various dietary needs. Look for restaurants that offer vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or allergen-friendly options to ensure everyone in the family can enjoy a delicious meal together. For a memorable dining experience with scenic views or unique ambience, consider dining at restaurants overlooking the falls or situated in charming historic buildings. Enjoy a meal with a view at elements on the falls, Queen Victoria Place Restaurant, or Skylon Tower Revolving Dining Room, where you can savor delicious cuisine while taking in the beauty of Niagara Falls from above. With a wide range of family-friendly dining options near Niagara Falls, you're sure to find the perfect spot to enjoy a delicious meal and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Safety tips. When visiting Niagara Falls with your family, it's important to prioritize safety to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. Here are some essential safety tips to keep in mind during your trip. 1. Stay together. In crowded areas like Niagara Falls State Park and popular attractions, it's crucial to stay together as a family. Establish a meeting point in case anyone gets separated, and keep a close eye on children at all times to prevent accidents or getting lost. 2. Carry essentials. Be prepared for a day of exploration by carrying essentials such as water, sunscreen, snacks, and a first aid kit. Protect your family from the sun's rays, stay hydrated, and be ready to address any minor injuries or emergencies that may arise. 3. Follow park rules. Familiarize yourself with park rules and guidelines at Niagara Falls State Park and other attractions to ensure a safe visit. Respect barriers, stay on designated paths, and follow any posted signs for your safety and the preservation of the natural environment. By following these safety tips and being mindful of your surroundings, you can enjoy a worry-free visit to Niagara Falls with your family. Prioritizing safety will not only protect your loved ones, but also enhance your overall experience as you create lasting memories at this iconic destination. As we come to the end of our family-friendly travel guide for Niagara Falls, let's recap the key points and highlights to help you plan an unforgettable trip with your loved ones. From the iconic Niagara Falls State Park to thrilling Maid of the Mist boat tours, there are must-visit attractions and activities that cater to families of all ages. Explore the natural beauty of the falls, engage in interactive exhibits, and enjoy a variety of dining and accommodation options near this world-renowned destination. We encourage you to start planning your family trip to Niagara Falls, where you can create lasting memories and bond over exciting adventures together. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a mix of both, Niagara Falls offers something for every family member to enjoy. If you found this travel guide helpful and informative, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips to inspire your future adventures. Stay tuned for more destination recommendations, insider insights, and expert advice to make your family vacations truly memorable. Let us know in the comments what travel guide you would like to see next. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Niagara Falls. We can't wait to see where your family's next adventure takes you.